As a renowned and distinguished professor of physics and astronomy, Dr. David Lee has enjoyed a prolific and impactful career, shaping generations of students over the course of a career that now spans 60 years. Dr. Lee's path toward a professional life in sciences was paved from a young age. As a child, his family lived in a suburb of Rye, New York, where there were several vacant lots and a shoreline, both of which proved to be the perfect breeding ground for a future man of science. He was always interested in snakes, worms, insects, and exploring what he could find along the seashore. He would dig through the sand to uncover sandworms and bloodworms for fishing, and enjoyed turning over rocks to see whatever life lay underneath. This evolved into his interest in weather, meteorology, and cloud formations. One day, when he was roughly 14 years old, Dr. Lee discovered a book on the shelf of his father's bookcase entitled The Mysterious Universe. He asked his father, an electrical engineer, about this particular book, and he indicated that nobody really understood the contents in it. So naturally, he devoured the book immediately and was fascinated by what he saw as a beautiful discussion of cosmology as it was known at the time. The book is what sparked Dr. Lee's interest in physics and would ultimately lay the foundation for his future. Upon graduating from high school, Dr. Lee attended Harvard University and earned a Bachelor of Arts in 1952. He continued his education at the University of Connecticut and Yale University, where he received his Master of Science and PhD, respectively. It was at the University of Connecticut where Dr. Lee truly found his calling as to what he wanted to do for the rest of his life. His career began in 1959 when he became a physics instructor at Cornell University, the first position of many that he would hold at the institution in the subsequent 50 years. He advanced to assistant professor of physics from 1960 to 1963, then associate professor from 1963 to 1969, and full professor from 1969 to 1999. Up until 2009, he served as a James Gilbert White Distinguished Professor of Physical Sciences at Cornell and is responsible for the establishment of the school's Laboratory of Atomic and Solid-State Physics. Since 2009, he has been a Distinguished Professor of Physics and Astronomy at Texas A&M University. Dr. Lee has served as the municipal chair at Joseph Fourier University and a visiting professor and lecturer at numerous institutions, including the University of Florida, University of California, and Peking University in China. Scientifically, Dr. Lee's most astonishing moment was in the early 1970s, when he, along with colleagues Robert C. Richardson and Douglas Osheroff, discovered superfluidity in helium-3 by initially investigating the behavior of the helium at temperatures within a few thousandths of a degree of absolute zero. This discovery granted the three of them the Nobel Prize in 1996. Among his various other breakthrough discoveries, such as the anti-ferromagnetic ordering in solid helium-3 and nuclear spin waves in spin-polarized atomic hydrogen gas, other crowning achievements of Dr. Lee's career include winning the Olivier Buckley Prize of the American Physical Society in 1981 and the Sir Francis Simon Memorial Prize of the British Institute of Physics in 1976. He was also given the Wilbur Cross Medal from Yale University in 1998. Dr. Lee has maintained his influence in the field as a member of the American Academy of Arts and Sciences, British Institute of Physics, American Physical Society, National Academy of Sciences, and a foreign member of the Russian Academy of Science. His former research group at Cornell also currently studies impurity helium solids. Dr. Lee's robust activity and list of achievements in physics and science as a whole can be attributed to his strong work ethic and focus, which he showcases to this day, more specifically 7 hours a day, 7 days a week. Dr. David Lee has experienced an accomplished, rewarding career filled with impactful scientific contributions, and he leaves behind a legacy of passion, studiousness, and great achievements. It is his wish that future generations enjoy and contribute to the excitement of science. He is also extremely grateful to his coworkers, colleagues, and 33 PhD students he has mentored for their essential contributions to the research program.